Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to delete or remove all Roblox friends at once. This is perfect if you have a large friends list and don't want to remove everyone manually. First, open your web browser. I'll use Google Chrome for this example. In the address bar, go to roblox.com and log in using your username and password. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and go to the Friends section. Normally, to unfriend someone, you'd have to open their profile and click Unfriend. Doing this one by one can take a lot of time, especially if you have dozens or even hundreds of friends. To make things faster, we'll use a browser extension. Open a new tab and search for Chrome Web Store. Once there, type Roblox Friend Removal in the search bar. Click on the extension, then select Add to Chrome and confirm by clicking Add Extension. After a few seconds, the extension will be installed. Go back to your Roblox Friends page and refresh the page. You'll notice a new button has appeared. This is the extension. Click the button and it will automatically start removing your friends one by one. You don't need to do anything manually, and it works much faster than clicking each profile. This method is the simplest and quickest way to delete all your friends on Roblox without spending hours doing it manually. Just make sure you follow the steps carefully and your friends list will be cleared in no time. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove all friends on Roblox at once.